All right, y'all, I'm doing a video on some RCs. I'm in Walmart. All right, this right here is a Bigfoot. It's a toy grade RC. I knew bright. It's $60. Reason why it's $60 because this is a licensed toy from the real Bigfoot. It's a 4x4 all-wheel drive RC monster truck, shocking engine, lights and sound, 1/10 scale, batteries right there included. But if you buy something like that, and plus C is right there, USB that's underneath the car there, and the batteries right there is for the remote. But if I purchase this for my kid, I'll get rechargeable batteries from front. You get 4 of them and a charger for $20. That's what I use in my RCs. Nice little RC though. Got foam tires right here and plastic made on it. The engine goes from left to right. The front grille look like you got LEDs right here. You can't beat it, yo. When I was growing up, we ain't have this. I didn't anyway. I used to have to have a electric string behind my RCs, following them. You got an RC I paid $650 for. It's a grave digger. And I bought one from out of here. It's another one. It's from Monster Jam. That's the name right there. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. It's marked down to $45 where it was $60. But yeah, these RCs, these are licensed RCs. That's why the price is so high. I'm doing this video for people that don't know. And out of all of them, this is my favorite one. I have one. The front of it, it flips up like this. All right, you press this button right here. It flips up like this right here. And it goes by itself like this. You can turn it around like that. You can turn it around like this right here. You press the button on here. It goes like this. Now see the real truck at the Monster Jam, it does the same thing. I seen that, I witnessed it. I did security in Florida. And you can turn it and spin it. It's a nice RC. It's a USB to charge it underneath the bottom. And the batteries take like 2 or 3 AAA, that's the small batteries. $60. I bought one, I have one. That's a licensed vehicle. What I mean by license, grave digger, it's a real truck that's out there like this, that a human being get in and drive and operate. That's why the price is high. And that's why the one that I have that's on my channel is $650. It's another one right here, made by New Bright. Nice looking little vehicle for a kid, say age 6 and plus. Radio control, 1/14 scale. One bad F9. Little shock suspension. Backtronics in the back right there. See, I ain't had this growing up. Kids nowadays, they spoiled, but I'm not gonna lie, I had a Atari 2600. I liked it. All right, this from Fast and the Furious. I know y'all remember that guy. It's a 4x4. Dodge Challenger. Charger, my bad. Charger. My bad. I'm a human, I make mistakes. See right there? See it there? See it there? See right here? Come down, some more New Bright. Heavy metal. Right there. You see it? You see me? You see me? Yeah. Raptor. Bronco. Based off the new one they just come out with. Either last year or this year. For your kids, them there. See it there? You see me? Look at the shock suspension there. $60. Parents out here don't want to spend money on their children, but they'll spend money on a pack of cigarettes, drugs, and things like that, you know. Look at the Mustang. Enjoy, raise your kids right. Buy them nice gifts, buy them toys. They won't forget, they'll love you for it. And if they become basketball players, football players, race car drivers, they'll love you. Look at this one, another Charger, 1968. This another one right here, Monster Jam. This is Shark. Look at that, indoor and outdoor. It's a licensed vehicle, y'all. Licensed vehicle. It's a licensed vehicle. They have real people get in. They crawl up through there, and they get up in there and they drive it. You see these dirt, rocks, snow, grass. That's the remote control right there. Drives on water. $60. Can't beat it. Look at this one. Look at this big boy here. See that? We had one at Hobbytown. It looked something like this, but it got men sitting here and they holding machine guns. That was a $700 and something RC. It's marked down. The owner marked it down. The owner of our store marked it down. The $399, but now I heard it went back up to $700 and some change. In here, this one is a toy grade by New Bright. It's $90. Look at it, 1/5 scale. The motor is in here, a little cheap brush motor, but it's good for a little kid. I think right now they should be putting brushless in, but I understand why they're not putting brushless inside of these for new little kids to learn. That's the battery right there, 12.8 volts, lithium ion battery pack. Yeah, RC 4x4. Next to it is a $60 one. I love RCs. Black people get into it. You got some of us, they into it. But our women, they talk a lot of noise about us, but they go out there and spend hundreds and thousands on getting their hair and their nails done. Last year, me and the guy Googled $18 billion in spending hair, nails, and all of them things there here in the US. Look at this, it's nice. $60. Yeah, radio control, 1/10 scale, Jeep Wrangler. See there? USB to charge it. 4-wheel drive. Yeah. Look at this. You can teach your kid not to run from the police in a type car like this right here. It's a police car. That's a Dodge Challenger. And that's a Mustang. Yeah, there you go right there. I'll tell you, 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. I take that Shelby all day. But you can buy this to teach your kid not to run from the police when they get older. And you can teach them as a kid not to be afraid of them. But you got a lot of them out there that's bad and evil because